suppose I want to connect data on the web. So let me go to my Chrome, and suppose I search for population of the world. Let's click on this Wikipedia link. Now if I scroll down, you can see that the information that I'm looking for is basically present on such websites. Now from this, if I need a database, say maybe I'm looking for this table, or if I scroll down, see that there are different tables populated over here in this website. A point to note here is some of the websites will not allow you to load their data into your Excel or Power BI tools. Now let's look at how easily you can load these data into your Power BI. So what you have to do is select this URL and copy it. Now go back to Power BI, click on Get Data, and here you will be able to see the option Web. So right now you're seeing it under the recently used section. If you don't see it here, click on More and go to the other option and click on Web. Finally, click on Connect. Now over here, just paste the URL that you just copied and click on OK. So now Power BI is getting connected to that URL. Okay, Power BI is trying to establish that connection. And finally, it's connected. Now in the navigator window, you will be able to see all the available data related to that web page. So these are all the data elements related to that URL. Now what you have to do is just select an element, say a table, and on the right it will show you the actual table that you wish to load into your Power BI. You can see the preview here. For example, you can click this if you want to see population by continent, so it will be displayed in this format. Now to connect this data to your Power BI, all you have to do is check this box and click on this load button. So let's click on this load button. So here you can see that the data is connected to your Power BI and it's ready to be used to create data models and visuals. So these are the different ways through which you can easily connect your data to Power BI.